Morning, dear students. Now let us go for question number 6, not 6, yeah, question number 5. So here, first read the question. A vessel is in the form of a inverted cone. It is its height is 8 centimeter and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. Height is 8 and the radius is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. Brim means up to the top edge. So here, when the lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeters, is dropped into the vessel. So in that vessel, they are going to drop some spherical marbles. You imagine. So find the number of lead shots. Lead shots they given. So next, 1/4 of the water flows out. So when they are dropping the lead shots, so after the dropping of some number of lead shots, what happened is 1/4 of water came outside. So find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. Then we have to find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. That means the amount of water comes out is equal to the volume of the lead shots. So the volume of all the lead shots. We don't know what is the volume of all the lead shot. We know volume of one lead shot with respect to the given measure. What is that? 0.5 centimeter is the radius. So 4/3 pi r cube. By using that we can calculate. Okay. Now, if for example we have to take n number of marbles. So we need to take that the number of marbles is n. N into volume of the each sphere is n into 4/3 pi r cube. So that is the total volume of the number of marbles dropped into the vessel. So first let me take the assumption. Let number of marbles dropped B is equal to n. So number of marbles dropped B is equal to n. So next, given height of cone. So what is the height of the cone here? H is equal to 8 centimeter and radius of cone also given. Radius of cone R is equal to how many centimeters here? 5 centimeter. Now volume of cone, first we have to calculate volume of cone. So what is the principle for this? 1/3 pi r cube. So let us take this as small r only. Next, given radius of each lead shot. So what is the radius of each lead shot? 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 that will be equal to 1/2 centimeter. Then volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So I am making it as a capital R. So 4/3 pi r cube. So total volume of the total volume of water comes out is equal, or volume of water comes out is equal to 1/4 of volume of cone. So look at here. What is the amount of the water comes out? That means 1/4 of the volume of cone is equal to, I'm sorry, 1/4 of volume of cone is equal to, so what is the amount of water comes out? So actually volume of each marble is 4/3 pi r cube. So total number of marbles, how many number of marbles are dropped? N. So then that will become n into 4/3 pi r cube. Here what you will get? 1/4 into 1/3 into pi r cube. So n into 4/3 into pi r cube. Look at here. I'm sorry. 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. Look at here carefully. 3 will be cancelled. Now what can be cancelled? Pi and pi also going to be cancelled. So here now I can write the expression as look at this. Now look at there. What are the things left? 1/4 into, don't be confused, r square into h is equal to n into 4 into r cube. Now So let us take we need to find the value of n. So let it be this 4 comes this side, actually 4 4 the 16 it will become, it will comes to denominator. Now r square into h. So what you will get originally is r square into h by r cube, that will be is equal to n. Now 1 by 16 into radius of the what is that, radius of the cone, what they have given, radius of the cone is 5 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. So radius is 5, so 5 square is 5 into 5, height is 8. So in the similar way, look at here, this is radius is 1 by 2 whole cube, 1 by 2, since radius of the what is that, hemisphere they have given a 0.5, so it will be n. Now 1 by 16 into 5 into 5 into 8 by 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 16, 8. So this 8 goes up like this. Actually it will be 1 by 8. So when it is going to be division, it will become multiplication by its reciprocal like that. Why? 8 by 1. So here 8 ones are 8 twos are. So this will be value of n actually. 8 ones are 8 twos are, 2 ones are 2 fours are, 5 5 are 25, 25 fours are 100. So total how many number of marbles has to be dropped? 100 number of marbles has to be dropped. Once again I am telling, the amount of water comes out from the cone. That means 1/4 of the volume of the cone will be is equal to the number of marbles dropped. That means volume of the all the marbles. So each volume of the marble we know. So total volume of the marbles is n into volume of the each marble. So from that we are going to get the value of n. So this is about the question number 5.